How many of us struggle out there? I'm going to encourage you to put on a different lens and let's look at the strength in struggling. I'm Kathy, and I'm the owner of Monarch Therapies, and I am a trauma NLP therapist, and I'd love to connect with you. You can find us on my website, and you can call, text, or fill out a contact form. And let's talk about struggling versus strength. So we all have struggles. Everybody's got stuff. And it's how you deal with the stuff that either makes you healthy or unhealthy. I think a lot of times in the culture, the hustle culture we live in, there's almost like a badge of honor to live through the struggle. And what I'd say to that is it doesn't have to be that way. You can, I'm not saying go full in on your soft girl era. And what I'm saying is it's okay to acknowledge, like, I'm struggling, and then find the strength in that. How do you do that? Well, it's about really recognizing, like, this is a lot, and using your resources. You should check in with yourself on the daily. And if you don't check in with yourself on the daily, I'm going to encourage you to start. Create a little routine. Now, you don't have to follow this routine every day. And what I'd encourage you to do is think about, 5 things that in your ideal world, if you could do first thing in the morning to check in with yourself, to regulate your emotions, to allow your nervous system to get balanced. What would those be? I might suggest thinking about breathing exercises or meditation or a gratitude practice, maybe some journaling. I say gratitude is halfway to joy. So if you can't get the joy in the morning, you can at least be grateful. So think about what makes sense for you and then try to check in with at least one of them every day. That can help give you that strength to face whatever challenges are coming that day. Also, make sure that you know what your supports are. Supports can be other people. Supports can be just about anything. But think about that. A lot of times we feel like, I don't want to burden so-and-so with that, or, I can do that on my own. I can fit that in. Do you have to? Or can you call in your supports? Can you look at your to-do list and decide, let me get my top 3 things done today. Can anything wait? Because these take a lot of mental or physical energy. So struggling is part of life. And you can always find the strength in the struggle so that you can stay regulated, you can stay present, and that's going to give you the ability to not only appreciate where you are, but it's also going to allow you to find the joy in everything around you. So again, if you'd like to contact us, go to our website, fill out a contact form. And as always, I see you. I love it. And I'll talk to you later.